Hello sir, hello ma'am. I am Gauri Rakesh Bendre. Today's session I am going to tell you on OOPS concept in the Java. We know much about the OOPS concept in the Java. The OOPS concept means object oriented programming system. The object oriented programming system is the aim for that we the or the implementation in the real life world. That means class, object, interface, polymorphism, encapsulation, uh, abstraction, and so on. There are the five types of the OOPS concept. Uh, First one is class, second object, third polymorphism, inheritance, abstraction, and encapsulation, and so on. And there are the other after the there are the other phases are coupling, cohesion, association, aggregation, and composition. uh, First, I will discuss about you OOPS concept. First one is class. Class is the logical entity. It does not the physically. It does not exist the physically. In one class, there are the many objects. That means, for example, class is student. There are the many object, student name, student id, student age, student location, and so on. It is a object, and student is a class. Class letter must be written in the uppercase letter. Second one is object. Object is the entity. There are the state and behavior. The object is the state and behavior of the entity. That means, one class there are the many objects, but vice versa it does not exist. If we can take the class radio, not we can take the object is radio. There are the many state and behaviors like that. State is on button, off button, and tuning. Behavior is we can keep the on we can on the radio, we can off the radio. And tuning means we can increase the volume or decrease the volume, and change the radio station. uh, that's it. Then third is inheritance is the one object to inquire the enquire the state and behavior of the other object, is called the inheritance. In Java, there are the four types of the inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, and hierarchical inheritance. The inherit By using the inheritance, we can achieve the polymorphism. The next is uh, polymorphism. Polymorphism is the OOPS concept in the Java. There are the one task we are perform the many ways. For example, we convince the customer. Then we can write the shapes like a triangle, eclipse, and etc. Then it is a polymorphism concept. Then abstraction with the do not visible functional internal details, but we can functionality is visibility. That means, call the function. We do not have the calling of the function. We know about the calling of the function, but do not the internal process of the calling function. Then we can coupling. Coupling is the one class one object of the class. State and behavior is the state and behavior is the same of the another class. There is known as the coupling. We know that one class, the state and behavior know that the first class is the know the uh, second class state and behavior. It is a strong coupling. Then second is association. Association is one object as the one is the relationship between object. That means one object to the multiple object. uh, Implements the one relationship is one object to the multiple object. There are the four types of the association: one to many, one to many, many to one, many to many, and one to one. First, one to one. One to one means, for example, we are discuss about you. One to one means one one state, one country has a one prime minister. Then many to one. Then one to many. Then second one is one to many. In one to many, one for example, one prime minister. There are the many ministers. Third, many to one. Many to one is one MPs. There are the many ministers. Then fourth is many to many. For example, many minister has many departments. This is the association concept in OOPS concept. Then aggregation. Aggregation is achieved to association. Association is the one 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 object may know the another object. One class we may know about the another class. That means one class to another class. And if we can do not exist, one class is to depend on the another class. We This condition is false. That means independent for the each other. Then weekly relationship is available. And uh, weekly relationship is available. We Then we delete the main class parent class object. Then the child class object is automatically deleted. This is the concept, OOPS concept in the Java. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.